Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another install video. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment below, and of course, subscribe. Alright, stay tuned for the video. Today I'm using Supernova Hair. It is in the color 99J Burgundy in light. It has 3 clips on the inside, and this is how the frontal looks like. Extra details on the hair will be in the description box below. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install this hair. First, I like to place the wig on my head, of course, and try to adjust it to my liking. The cap size was small, so I really loved how perfectly it fit on my head. It was so easy to cut this hair and the lace and customize it. So now I'm getting my scissors and I'm going to start cutting the lace. When you're cutting the lace, don't forget you need to cut it in a zigzag motion so that way the lace front looks more natural. And some extra details about the hair, it was pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit, which is why the hair is so big. And the density was 200% density. I believe it is true to its density because the hair was pretty thick. To wait for it to dry. Again, you can use a blow dryer, but I like to wait. And now we're going to place the wig on top of the glue once it has dried. It was so easy for me to place this wig because it literally fit like perfect to my head size. I just love how they constructed this wig, and I usually hate pre-made wigs, guys, but this pre-made wig was legit like one of the best pre-made wigs. I'm using a rat tail tooth comb to press the lace onto the glue. I just find it really helpful to use a rat tail tooth comb. You can use your hands, but I just like to go back with the rat tail tooth comb. Now I'm spraying some more free spray to make sure that the wig gets a really strong hold and that the wig will stay on all day. And I also find that when you spray the free spray, it gives it more of like a melted look. So now I'm going to wrap my hair, and I typically leave it on for like 20 minutes. That way I know the glue and everything has fully dried. So while that is drying, I'm going to start styling the hair. This hair was a loose wave, I believe. So all I needed to do was spray it with water to get the curls to pop back out. So a little bit about the hair and my experience with it. When the hair dried completely, like 100% dry, it did get a little big and it was a little frizzy. I'm not gonna lie. And the hair did shed, but the density is really nice on this hair. Like, it's really, really thick. It's like almost like I constructed it myself. And also the color was really, really pretty. That burgundy color, I thought it was gonna look like synthetic hair, but it really looked nice and beautiful, and it looked like virgin hair. Like, I really like the quality of this company's hair. So that is like some little details about the hair that I noticed when I was wearing it. It wasn't heavy on my head, and you can actually straighten this hair, and when you wet it, it'll get back curly again. So that is a huge plus about this company's hair. And also another plus is, of course, the head size. Like, you have no idea how hard it is for me to get a cap size that fits me with these pre-made wigs, but this wig literally fit to perfection. So I was really excited about that. As you're wetting the hair, make sure you're brushing through it so that way the hair is detangled, since it is curly hair. And I actually use a denim brush usually, but I couldn't find my denim brush. So I was like, you know what? I would just use a regular brush, and it ended up working out fine anyway. Okay, so when you're done with your hair, you can take the scarf off and start doing your edges. I'm getting straight into it. I'm going to do my baby hairs. I usually don't cut baby hairs, so I just pull out pieces of hair in spots that I want to create my baby hairs, and then I just go with it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just pulling out pieces and just doing the swoop method. And I decided I actually wanted to cut some sideburns. So I just pulled back the hair that I didn't want to be a sideburn and pulled the pieces that I wanted to create the sideburns. And then I just cut it real short. As you're going to see, this is how I do my sideburns. I'm not a professional. If you have a different way of doing it, do it your way. But this is how I do my edges. And if you're wondering what mousse I'm using, I use Herbal Essence mousse. It's at the grocery store or like CVS or something for like $3. Okay, I'm finally done with my edges, so now I'm going to create my side part. I decided I wanted to do a side part since I always do a middle part. And so I'm just trying to find like the perfect line that can go straight down. So just make sure you really analyze where you want your part and try to part it as straight as possible. That way it looks really nice and neat when you're done styling your hair. Now I'm using concealer to just make that part line look more visible since this is red hair. I'm using this little spray. It's like a curly wavy spray. I don't even know where I got that spray from. I think it was my sister's. So I'm just using that because like I found that it like actually really made the hair really nice and wavy. This is how my hair looks in the end. I really love this hair. I love the color. I can straighten it. I can wear it up, do whatever I want with it. I ended up doing a little braid, which I thought was really cute. So that's what I'm doing here. And voila. So this is my final look. I love this hair, like I said, and any extra details about the hair will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to everybody that supports me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.